Teacher hospitalized after her throat was slashed during an abduction in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 7 TV News Report. A St. Elizabeth-based teacher is being treated in a hospital after she was allegedly abducted, injured, and left for dead on a remote road in Lacovia on Tuesday afternoon. The woman managed to get to the main road where she was found sometime after 7 o'clock by passing motorists with her throat slashed. Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Jamaica Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, said that the woman had been parked at a supermarket in Santa Cruz when she was abducted sometime after 4 p.m.
The information that they have just now that she was sitting in her car in the parking lot awaiting her children to exit the supermarket when a Probox motor car drove up and two men alighted from the vehicle and started and attacked her. They took her from her car and put her in their vehicle and took her to another section of the parish. During the process, we understand that her throat was slashed and she was thrown from the vehicle in an off-road area. Based on the account that was given, that she managed to pull herself out and got to the main road where she was seen and assisted. The investigators are of the view that it was a deliberate attempt on someone to get at her. So any bit of information and any work-related, family-related, any matter, give us some information so we can unravel what happened.
No motive has been established for the attack. However, SSP Lindsay said that investigators believe it was a deliberate attempt by someone to get at her. She urged anyone with information that they could contact the police. This has been Link 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.